Hi everyone. In last lecture we have seen that the study about piezometer, YouTube manometer, single column manometer. Then so today we will discuss about the inclined single column manometer. So it is this type of the manometer which is more sensitive. Sensitivity in this manometer is more due to the inclination of right tube. Okay. Sensitivity in this device is more due to what? That is due to the inclination of right tube. Okay. That is why heavy liquid can move at the more distance. Let L is the length of heavy liquid move in right tube from datum line. Theta is the inclination of right tube with horizontal delta H, that is fall of heavy liquid in the reservoir. H2 is the vertical rise of heavy liquid in right tube from datum line, that is the L into sin theta. Okay. Next, that is H1 is the height of the center of pipe above datum line. PA, that is pressure at point A, which is to be measured. A is the cross sectional area of reservoir, small a, that is the cross sectional area of the right tube. S1 is the specific gravity of liquid in the pipe. S2, that is specific gravity of heavy liquid in the reservoir. Rho 1, that is density of liquid in the pipe. Rho 2 is the density of liquid in the reservoir. So after simplification or calculations, we get the equation by which we can measure the pressure of inclined single column manometer. That is and the equation is PA is equal to PA means pressure at point A. PA is equal to sin theta root 2 into G minus H1 rho 1 G. Then another manometer is differential manometer, is the same type of the manometer are used to measuring the difference of pressure between 2 points. Here differential manometer which can be used to measure the pressure difference between the 2 points in a pipe or in the two different pipes. It may be useful to calculate the difference of pressure in single pipe as well as in two different pipes. So it also contains U tube whose end are connected to the point whose pressure difference is to be measured, and another will remain to the atmosphere. U tube contain heavy liquid, and there are two types of the differential manometer are as U tube differential manometer and inverted differential manometer. So U tube differential manometer. Consider a 2 point where pressure is to be measured, that is A and B are at different level, also has a different specific gravity. Point A and B are connected to the U tube differential manometer. Let PA and PB are the pressure at point A and B. Okay. Let H is the smallest, that is difference of mercury in the level in the U tube. Y is the distance of center of B from the mercury level in the right tube. X is the distance of center of A from the mercury level in the left tube. Rho 1 and rho 2 are the density of liquid at point A and point B. Rho 3 is the density of heavy liquid or simply mercury. You can see the figure number 5. Okay, so difference between 2 points by using the YouTube differential manometer, we can calculate by using this equation, that is small h into in bracket g multiplied by in another bracket rho 1 minus rho 2 bracket complete plus rho 2 g y minus rho 1 g x. Okay. So this equation we can use in this situation 1, that is situation A. For situation B, we can calculate the equation. We can calculate the pressure by using the equation, that is the G into H in bracket multiplied by rho 2 minus rho 1. Means situation B is what? That is the 2 point A and B at same level and contain same liquid density, that is rho 1. So in that situation we can use this equation, that is G into in bracket H, that is multiplied by rho 2 minus rho 1. Next is the inverted YouTube differential manometer, and this topic we will discuss in next video. So be prepared of about today's lecture. Thank you.